Hello, welcome to Back to School Night presentation. This is Miss Wazalwar and I will be talking to you about honors biology this year. Hi again, this is me. My name is Ketki Wazalwar and students call me Miss V. I've been teaching biology since 2022 and I started teaching at Wellesley High School since August 2025. As this is my first year here, I'm very excited. I'm getting to know your students, the Wellesley School community, so it's an exciting start. Academically, I have masters in microbiology from India and have masters in genetics and genomics from University of Connecticut. Your student is enrolled in my biology honors course, and this biology honors course is the third course in the sequence of science courses offered here. We prepare our students for senior science electives, including interesting electives including AP Biology, AP Environmental Science, Biotechnology and Personal Genetics, Anatomy and Physiology. We deliver new content, but our focus would be that students are able to synthesize new content, new facts, and apply their prior knowledge. So, improving their critical thinking skills so that they are able to analyze data and solve problems. This is our curriculum for this year. We already have covered introduction to biology and some basic chemistry. We have started with organic molecules, biomolecules, chemistry of life, and next few units would be like cells and cell transport, cells and energy, cell growth, genetics, and protein synthesis. An exciting part of biology honors is this independent research project, which would begin in the spring, and students will work on a microbiology based research project. They choose their own topic, they design, run their own experiment, gather data, both observational and microscopic based data. They conduct PCR and gel electrophoresis on their samples and get their genomic data back from a sequencing core. This project is a very good example of what Wellesley High School wants in their graduates, like their great critical thinking skills, improved inquiry, reasoning skills, collaboration, and communication skills as well. This year, we really want to focus on student experience. They get to work on a lots of hands-on activities and lab experiences. Some of the pictures that I have included in this particular slide is a great example of them. These come directly from students, from what students have worked till now, right now in biology honors course. We also want to work on how they collaborate in their learning groups, so they're cooperative and collaborative learning groups. And I really want to focus on creating experiences where all voices are heard and skills are showcased. We have a diverse diversity of learners in our classroom, which is a great strength, and every individual has a unique strength that they can contribute to their learning group and to the classroom as well. Key to success this year would be communication between me and your student and you as a parent. We all are a team that would basically focus on progress of our student, their self advocacy skills, and active engagement part from them in the class curriculum classroom experiences. Canvas, all class materials they live on Canvas. They can find activities, assignments, notes, grades posted daily. They should review content once a week to ensure assignments are submitted, they're complete and submitted. I will be giving out a lot of paper handouts which will have a digital version, and a picture that here is included that you can see is a screenshot of how our Canvas page looks like. Grades this year, they are category weighted, of which 60% come from their assessments and 40% come from classwork assignments and projects. Grades, they're posted on Canvas and I sync them regularly with PowerSchool where you have access to their grades as well. I do accept late work by the end of the unit assessment for that particular unit. If for some reason the student has to submit work beyond the unit assessment, the student has to reach out to me. Parents usually ask, how do we support our students? I would say, please encourage them to meet with me. I am available during school hours, before school, during most of red and 10 blocks, and my office hours of Fridays at 6:55 a.m. Please ask them to go over their days or week's agenda on Canvas. And if you or your student has any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. My email address is wazalwark@wellesleyps.org. I'm happy to help. And I would say thank you for listening to this presentation. I look forward to seeing you this week. Bye. Thank you.